Yeah, be cool, just move with the groove. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Yeah, let's just do what we came to do. Just vibe with it, vibe with it, vibe with it. Be cool, just move with the groove. Let's go. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Let's just do what we came to do. Just vibe with it, vibe with it. Unleash the verbal blessing, cold and thick with herbal lessons. So kick back, chill, relax, and learn a lesson. No 9mm, no heaters, or Smith the Wesson. You'll find this rhyme stay pure without question. This time, let's vibe one time without weapons and groove with the music in the smooth session. This time, let's vibe one time without weapons and the beat to me like sap to a tree. It's in me. The rap happens to set me free. Instantly when the mic touch this MC. Without the mic, this MC feel empty. I'm telling y'all, it's the lyrical recipe, lyrical ecstasy. Hearing no less from me, I accept and expect no less than the best. And inject intellect without disrespect. Come on, be cool, just move with the groove. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Let's just do what we came to do. Just vibe with it. Let's just do what we came to do. Just vibe with it. It's like an epidemic, pop star gimmick. Hit it, get it, then realize that you in it and you're finished. Whole dream diminished. See, I play the season, y'all have a scrimmage. I spit with reason, y'all hip to image. But I believe the dream has no limits. I believe that's the whole reason we live it. But they don't get it, they like it's not right, is it? No visit, hip-hop here to stay, no shizit. We gonna get it, new improved music, move and groove with it. Choose who you get with. I smack rap back like this do hoes. My flow hard like Dick, get the skimpy clothes on individuals when anything goes. The player pick 'em like eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Got soul, got so much funk up in the rap, I should pack a fat bowl. Y'all should kick back, relax, and just roll with me, vibe with me, roll with me, vibe with me, roll with me, come on and vibe with me. Hip hop ain't dead, just keep it alive with me. Be cool, just move with the groove. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Let's just do what we came to do, just vibe. Let's just do what we came to do, just vibe with it, vibe with it. Be cool, just move with the groove. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Let's just do what we came to do, just vibe with it, vibe with it, vibe with it. I feel trapped, backed into a corner. Sometimes I feel like I've been putting on a fake persona. I'm still gon' stand my ground, a rap warrior. Give me the nod and I'll be going to bat for ya. You, I mean you, all of you listening, all of you waiting and hoping and wishing for one to come through who gonna open your vision until you see the bright light shining in the distance. We all got problems like everybody else. I always tend to lose when I battle with myself. I rebel with the booze and I jeopardize my health. Walk a day in my shoes, then tell me how you felt. Never judge till you fully understand. You'll never see it coming cause the shit is never planned. You'll never know his actions until you know the man. And you'll never know the man if you never lend a hand.
Feeling lonely and here you
Look deep in yourself, dig deep in yourself. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left. Look deep in yourself, dig deep in yourself. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left. Standing for what I believe, cause I got a set of nuts. Digging deep inside myself like I'm shoveling my guts. Never have before, cause I never gave a what do you wanna be when you finally grow up? That's a question I never really got. I'm gonna be me if you like it or not. That's how I used to think until I finally thought that it's not that easy. Cause life brings a lot of change and hard pains and certain things that change your mind frame and rearrange your mentality. What my nephew and niece think about me is more important than your hourly salary. If you don't get it yet, then you will. Maybe you won't, but maybe you will. Maybe you'll feel the way that I feel. Then maybe you'll see that I'm trying to keep it real. Dig deep in yourself. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left. Look deep in yourself. Dig deep in yourself. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left.
From the 334 via cyberspace. That's WW. It's your favorite MC and mine. Wizard man. First off, I'm not your regular dude. I bust moves like a young MC. Yeah, sorta, that would be me. Got me thinking about putting down the mic one day. Then I get some more love. Thanks for the love. You gotta play. Hey, what can I say? I'm a Leo to the finish, man. I love God, so my faith won't diminish me. Once I step up to the mic, I speak truth. Hip-hop wasn't designed to exploit the black youth, but somewhere along the lines, we dropped the ball, yeah. I mean that man in the mirror, yeah, that ball dude. But now I'm back to right the wrongs of my past world. So let me mark this off my list like my name is Earl. Articulate my thoughts clearly like Professor Les. Do you remember Rap City with Deja and Les? I'm looking at the front door, bless the main source. You're full, yeah, wait till I hit you with the main course. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. Rather listen to Tribe or shit alone. You like my raps, but really I write songs. I like to do it like this once in a while to show some versatility and make you all smile. It's been a long time coming, I know, I feel it too. The more I take a break, it's like the more I break through. With my time with Space Boy Funk, I'm on point. And bless this microphone every time I anoint the pen, the pad. I face the bad head on. Escape inside the music, see my diary's a song. It's on till I write my next verse, then I go again into the studio. I feel I gotta flow again. This ain't just music to me, it's like my recipe. To be honest, it's more creative tranquility. This ain't just music to me, it's like my recipe. To be honest, it's more creative tranquility. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. They say they get me, I don't think they ever got me. My name's Kowalski, but they call me Kawasaki. Online I'm funds, but in real life I'm more like Chachi or Cola. I told you, I'm funky like granola. Bars, can't you see that I'm a star? Who pumps his own gas in the cold really fast? As I pass on your gold digging stash. I'd rather make my own money, not advance me loan money. Nope. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. So there you have it. Nobody's got my DNA. Nobody's got my DNA. Nobody's got my DNA.
The markets are starting to question themselves, the bloggers exposing our blisters, just the everyday words of everyday people, shifting the tone of televised speeches. When we look beyond our next meal, our next post, the everyday choices of everyday people are facing the storms and curing diseases. We are responsible for our everyday vote.